Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix an iPhone 7 that won't boot past the Apple logo. It's confusing when your device is trying to turn on but finally fails to boot past the Apple logo. The lock screen or home screen seems to never load and the display gets stuck at the Apple logo only. This scenario could occur after restarting, restoring or transferring data, or updating. When your iPhone 7 won't go past the Apple logo, it can be due to iOS bugs, failure of update, restore or data migration, low power, lack of storage space, outdated OS and so on. Other possible causes include low-quality screen protector and phone case, cracks or water damage. Fret not. This video guide looks at some tried and tested solutions to help you fix an iPhone 7 that won't turn on past the Apple logo. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Force iPhone 7 to boot past the Apple logo. Most of the time, a quick restart can troubleshoot many issues, including your iPhone 7 not booting up past the Apple logo. It only takes you 1 minute to press some buttons to trigger the reboot. Here's what you need to do. On your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold both the power button and volume down button together for at least 10 seconds. The Apple logo should disappear and the screen turns into black. When the Apple logo reappears, let go of both buttons. Wait for your iPhone 7 to boot past the Apple logo and load the lock screen. Step 2. Take off screen protector and phone case. If you have a phone case and screen protector worn on the device, they could make the display and buttons stuck. As a result, your iPhone 7 won't load past the Apple logo and turn on. The solution here is to carefully take all of them off your device. If there are other peripherals connected, make sure to disconnect them, too. Once done, test if your iPhone 7 can move past the Apple logo and turn on to load the home screen. Step 3. Juice up iPhone 7's battery. The battery power is fundamental in booting up any smartphone. If your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus won't get past the Apple logo and is stuck, it's worth taking a check if the power is enough. Grab the official charging cable and charger that came with your device. Use them to plug your iPhone 7 into a power source and let it charge. Next, you can do a forced restart again to see if you can move past the Apple logo on iPhone 7. Step 4. Troubleshoot an iPhone 7 in recovery mode. Recovery mode is a common technique used in troubleshooting any software-related issues, even when there is no access on the phone. So, feel free to give it a shot when your iPhone 7 won't turn on and seems to be stuck on the Apple logo screen. Follow these steps to enter recovery mode and fix the issue easily. Use a cable to connect your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus to a computer. Then, you'll need to download, install and run the specific application on the machine. If you use a Windows computer or a Mac with Mac OS Mojave 10.14 or earlier, use iTunes or Apple Devices app. If you use a Mac with Mac OS Catalina 10.15 or later, use Finder or Apple Devices app. To put your device into recovery mode, press and hold both the power button on the right and volume down button for at least 15 seconds. When you see a restore screen showing up with a laptop and a cable, release both buttons and you've entered recovery mode. Take a look at the iTunes, Apple Devices app or Finder screen. It should give you the update or restore options. The update option is used for a new iOS installation. The restore option is used for performing a factory reset. You can troubleshoot an iPhone 7 that will not go past the Apple logo by trying the update option first. Just click the update button and finish the following steps. Test if your iPhone 7 can get past the Apple logo to turn on after the update. If not, repeat the instructions and try the restore option. As this button will remove everything from the device and then reinstall the iOS, it's advised to check the backups first before moving forward. Step 5. Make an appointment at the nearby service center. If none of them work for you, consider taking the phone to the repair store for service. Before you move forward, book a service online or by call at your nearby Apple Genius Bar. The technician there will help run a full diagnosis on your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus to narrow down the issue. Depending on the cause, you might need to pay for the repair to fix an iPhone 7 that won't turn on past the Apple logo. That's all for how to fix an iPhone 7 that will not boot past the Apple logo. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.